Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles. In the previous video we have discussed trigonometrical ratios of some specific angles. Here ratios of complementary angles. So first of all let us try to understand what is complementary angles. What does it mean? So in any triangle, suppose here ABC is a triangle. So in any triangle, if sum of two angles is 90 degree, then these two angles are known as complementary angles. Suppose this is right angle triangle here, 90 degree at angle B, and in this case, this is very clear that sum of these two angles A and C will be 90 degree. So that sum of three angles would be 180 degree. So in this case, these two angles here, angle A and angle C, are known as complementary angles. Clear? Now we'll try to understand some simple formula like this. Sine 90 degree minus A, this is equal to cos A. Cos of 90 degree minus A, this is equal to sine A. Tan 90 degree minus A, this is equal to cot A. Cosec 90 degree minus A, this is equal to sec A, and sec 90 degree minus A, this is equal to cosec A. You have to remember this formula, and let us try to understand how we can verify that sine 90 degree minus A is equal to cos A. You see, since angle A plus angle C, here angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree, so therefore angle C is 90 degree minus angle A, 90 minus A, correct? So with respect to this angle A, you know the opposite side is perpendicular and the adjacent side is base and the longest side is hypotenuse. So here cos A will be, B by H. B by H means AB by AC. This is the value of right hand side. Cos A is AB by AC. Now let us try to find out sine 90 degree minus A, and we will see that this will also be equal to AB by AC. Then these two trigonometric values will be equal. And sine of, how to evaluate sine 90 degree minus A? This angle is 90 degree minus A. Angle C is 90 degree minus A. So sine is P by H. But in this case, with respect to this angle 90 degree minus A, I mean angle C, opposite side will be perpendicular with respect to this angle. So P will be AB here with respect to this angle. You be careful. With respect to this angle C means 90 degree minus A. P by H, sine is P by H. So with respect to this angle C, P means opposite side means AB, and H means hypotenuse AC. So you see here both are equal. So it has been verified that sine 90 degree minus A, this is equal to cos of A. In the same fashion, you can prove that cos 90 degree minus A is sine A, tan 90 degree minus A is cot A, cosec 90 degree minus A is equal to sec A, and sec 90 degree minus A is equal to cosec A. Very simple to understand it. Now let us do some problems. Questions are very simple. We are going to evaluate first sine 18 degree upon cos of 72 degree. Second, tan of 26 degree upon cot of 64 degree. And third, cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. You can do these questions very easily. Questions are very simple. So you see, let us start with this first question. This is sine of 18 degree by cos of 72 degree. This sine 18 can be written as sine of 90 degree minus 72 degree, and this is cos of 72 degree. And just now we have seen a formula, sine 90 minus a is equal to cos a. So this is cos of 72 degree, denominator is cos of 72 degree, this is equal to 1. Very simple. Second question. Tan of 26 degree by cot of 64 degree. Here also we will get value 1. Answer 1. How? See. This 26 degree can be written as 90 degree minus 64 degree. And denominator is already cot of 64 degree. You know, tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. So this is cot of 64 degree upon cot of 64 degree. This is equal to 1. This is the answer. And third question is cos of 48 degree minus sine of 42 degree. This cos 48 can be written as cos of 90 degree minus 42 degree, and next term is sine of 42 degree. So cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So this is sine of 42 degree minus sine of 42 degree. This is equal to 0. This is the answer. Now let us see some more problems. Your next question is, if tan of 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degree, where 2a is acute angle, then find value of a. Okay, let us see. The given expression is tan of 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18 degree. 2a is, this angle is acute angle. We have to find out the value of a. So, you know the formula, tan a is equal to cot of 90 degree minus a. So this left hand side can be written as cot of 90 degree minus 2a, because angle 2a is here. This is equal to cot of a minus 18 degree. Here both the angles are acute angles. So simply we can write 90 degree minus 2a is equal to cot of, sorry, we should not write cot here. So this is a minus 18 degrees. because we are omitting this cot from both the sides. So finally, you can get the value of A very easily. So therefore, 3A is equal to 108 degree and A is equal to 36 degree. This is the answer. Correct? Next question. If sec of 4A is equal to cosec of A minus 20 degree, where 4A is an acute angle. 4A is an acute angle. Find the value of A. We have to find out value of A. Correct? So try to recall the formula. You know, sec of 90 degree minus theta, this is equal to cosec theta. Correct? Or you can similarly write cosec of 90 degree minus theta is equal to sec of theta. So this sec A, with the help of this formula, this sec 4A can be written as cosec of 90 degree minus 4A, and right hand side is cosec of A minus 20 degree. So let us omit cosec from both the sides, because angles are acute angles in both the sides. So 90 degree minus 4A is A minus 20 degree. Now we can find out the value of A very easily. So 5A is equal to 110 degree, and therefore A is equal to 22 degree. This is the answer. So questions are very simple. We can do these questions very easily. Just you remember the formula that we have discussed. I mean, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, etc. So students, you please do some more problems. Do some exercises also, so that you could have a better command over this topic. And in the next topic, we'll discuss trigonometrical identities. So please remain in touch with my videos so that you could get maximum benefit from it, and please share these videos with your friends also. Thank you very much for watching this video.